Welcome to the pre-market report of 26/5/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 16,085. Top CPR is in 16,115. Bottom CPR is in 16,056. R1 placed in 16,164. R2 placed in 16,302 and R3 placed in 16,380. S1 placed in 15,947 and S2 placed in 15,869. S3 placed in 15,731. In Bank Nifty, the center pivot placed around 34,449. Top CPR is in 34,504. Bottom CPR is in 34,394. R1 placed in 34,613. R2 placed in 34,886. R3 placed in 35,050. S1 placed in 34,176 and S2 placed in 34,013. S3 placed in 33,739. Let's check the global market first. Yesterday, all the US market closes firmly in green, especially Nasdaq was up by 1.51%. It indicates our market going to trend towards positive direction today. Yesterday, most of the European market was also in positive direction. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards up direction today. Except Russian market, all the market was positive yesterday. Right now, most of the Asian market was trading in negative, except Nikkei and New Zealand market. All the market was in negative, especially Hong Kong was down by 0.15%. and Shanghai was down by 0.79%. Right now, US and European futures are trading in very flat condition. Right now, Nifty future trading around 16,102. Our previous day close was 16,025. It indicates more than 80 points gap up. SGS Nifty also trading around 16,093. It is also indicating market going to open more than 80 points gap up. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investors sold for 1,803 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 2,229 crores. The overall institutional activity in buy side, it gives slight positive to our market. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here you can see which option has highest open interest. Right now in call side, 16,300 has highest open interest. It has 1,66,609 contract in open condition. As well as in put side, 16,000 put option has highest open interest. It has 1,29,803 contract in open condition. But nearby 16,100 call option has 1 lakh contract in open condition. So 16,100 are going to be act as a good resistance and 16,000 going to be act as a good support. The option writers believe market going to be expire between 16,000 and 16,100. Yesterday, all the US market was in positive. European market also in positive. Right now, all the Asian market is trading in negative. US futures is trading in flat condition. European futures are also trading in flat condition. SGS Nifty and Nifty future indicating market going to open in gap up more than 80 points. FA is in sell side, DA in buy side. As per our option writers view, market won't move beyond 16,100 in upside, 16,000 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green, R1, R2, R3 in green, previous day high in dotted green, as well as S1, S2, S3 in red, previous day low in dotted red. Right now, SGS Nifty and Nifty future indicating market going to open somewhere around 16,100. This is just below to R1 and just above to top CPR. I hope market faced resistance at R1 and came down close somewhere around that center pivot. because option writers believe market going to expire between 16,100 to 16,000. So whenever market approaches R1, if it form a bearish pin bar, you can enter at this candle close. That means you can buy nearby put option. Keep the stop loss just above the candle. Book your profit at center pivot. This is my today trading setup. If market approaches R1 and form a bearish pin bar, I am going to buy nearby put option and keep the stop loss just above the candle and book the profit at center pivot. This is our final conclusion.